Quality construction. Knives are crafted with high-carbon Japanese steel for easy edge maintenance and a razor-sharp blade that lasts. Superior design. Built to last, ergonomic handles with textured finger points offer a non-slip grip with added comfort, durability, and safety. Best use. The perfect knife for cutting even, thin slices. Ideal for slicing ham, pork loin, turkey breast, or prime rib. Easy care. To maximize the performance and longevity of your Mercer knife, carefully wash cutlery by hand after each use with warm water and mild soap. Rinse and dry completely with a soft towel. Do not place in dishwasher or submerge for long periods of time. Mercer Culinary Ultimate White Series. An exceptional combination of quality, design, materials and craftsmanship for the value-minded kitchen. Perfect for professional use or the home cooking enthusiast. An exceptional combination of quality, design, materials and craftsmanship for the value-minded kitchen. Top reviews from the United States. Dangerously sharp. This is a great bread knife. I use it to cut through artisanal sourdough bread because none of the bread knives I had would saw through that crunchy crust. It is very, very, very sharp. You have been warned. I've cut my finger with it without even feeling it because it's that sharp. So buyer beware. That's not a bad thing in my opinion. I'm in the school of thought that sharp knives cause less damage than dull ones when it comes to kitchen injuries. I'm serious about my kitchen knives and I've paid a lot for some of them. I didn't have high hopes for this bread knife though because it was inexpensive. It's the perfect weight for a long bread knife and it's balanced, which is also an unusual thing for a cheap knife. I can't say how long it will last, but it seems like it will last a long time. Even if it doesn't, it's not a bad price to replace.